Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we are explore how to create business presentation cover using render clouds in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and set presentation cover size. I pause because first slide sets authority. I create a new layer and apply render clouds. I soften it using blur. I reduce opacity to keep elegance. I place title text carefully. The background feels professional, not noisy. Render clouds adds visual interest without stealing focus. I imagine this slide opening a business meeting. Calm.